So again, I'm sharing my screen here. So if we look here, these are the certain energy levels from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2. So now here, if we look here, this कुछ स्टूडेंट्स यह गाल कई तसा के हिन में प्रॉब्लम पर थे, so I am again repeating it. So here, if the electron de-excite from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1, it can de-excite from 2p 1 by 2 to 2p 3 by 2. But it cannot de-excite from 2p 1 by 2. So here, if we look here, electron can de-excite from this level to this level. Electron can de-excite from this level to this level. It means the electron can de-excite from 2p 1 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2. If we look here, the spin of both is same. The multiplicity is 2, the multiplicity is 2. It means the delta S is equal to 0. So this is the possible. The second, this is the P level, this is the S level. So from P level to S level, the delta L is equal to 1. So this is also possible. This is J value which is equal to 1 by 2. Here 2s 1 by 2, J value is equal to 1 by 2. So if we take a difference of it, the delta J is equal to 0. So here again the possibility is the same as, if we look here, delta L is equal to 0, delta L is equal to 1, because this is p orbital, this is s orbital. From p to L, L is equal to 1 to L is equal to 0, the delta L is equal to 1. The second is the delta S, which is equal to, this is equal to delta S, which is equal to 0, because this is multiplicity 2, this is multiplicity 2. The same multiplicity gives you delta S is equal to 0. It means the electron can de-excite from doublet to doublet. 2 means doublet. So delta S is equal to 0. The second is equal to delta J here is equal to, if we put it here, this is equal to J is equal to 1 by 2. Here J is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 gives you 0. So again the delta J is equal to 0. So this level is possible that delta L is equal to 1 by 2, delta S is equal to 0, and delta J is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore from 2p 1 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2, the transition is possible and you will get a photon. Okay. The second thing is that, okay, from 2p 3 by 2 to 2p 2s 1 by 2, is it possible or not? If we look here, this is the p orbital, this is the s orbital. So again the delta L is equal to 1. So it means this is possible. This delta L is equal to 1. So again this is the same. The second, this is S, this is its splitting or spin is equal to 1 by 2 and multiplicity is equal to 2. So it means its multiplicity is 2, this ground state multiplicity is 2. So this is possible that the electron de-excite from doublet to the doublet. So again here the delta S, which is equal to 0, is again possible. The second is here delta J. This is equal to 3 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2. So 2p 3 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2. This is 3 by 2, 1 by 2. The difference is equal to 1 because 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So here in the upper level, delta S was 0. So now here the delta S is equal to 1. delta S is equal, delta J is equal to 1. So these two levels are possible here. So now if we look here, if we take from S is equal to 1 to S, 2S 1 by 2 to 2S 3 by 2 here. So now here, is it possible that this level here, if we look into the red line here, is it possible this level is possible or not? So now if we look here, this is S orbital and this is the S orbital. So from S orbital to S orbital, the delta L is equal to 0. So the delta L 0 is not possible. What are the possible values? If we look here, according to the selection rule, that delta L should be equal to the plus minus 1, delta S should be equal to the 0, and delta J is equal to 0 or 1. So this is the possible. So here delta L from 2S 1 by 2, which is indicated by the red line, is not possible because it is the S orbital. The ground state is the S orbital. So from S to S transition is not possible. So the transition is possible from P level to the S level. So now the question is that if the electron is in n is equal to 2 in the S orbital, how it will go down into the n is equal to 1? Because you know that the electron can never remain in the excited state. It has to go down. So how it will go down? From n is equal to 2 in S orbital to n is equal to 1 in S orbital. There are two probabilities, two chances the electron can de-excite from higher level to the lower level. One, the electron can de-excite from S orbital to the S orbital directly by collision to the other atom and transfer its energy to the other atom. So as a resultant, the electron transfers its energy. As a resultant, it de-excites from higher level to the lower level. But in this case, you will not receive any photon. Again, if there is another chance that the electron can de-excite from S orbital to the P orbital, it will give you the photon. Then the second transition is from P orbital to the S orbital. Is it okay? So again, now if the electron is in the d orbitals, what happens? Here n is equal to 3. The electron may be in the S orbital, electron may be in the P orbital, electron may be in the D orbital. पुट एतिरो समझ में अची वियो आहे जेको समझायो आहे?
सर या रिपीट कजो जेकी रेड लाइन वारी तव्हां कंडीशन ॿुधाई पे न त n is equals to 2 खां n is equals to 1 जी तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कीअं थो अचे, हिन में तव्हां पॉसिबिलिटी ॿुधाई आहे, थोरो रिपीट कजो। हाणे
हिन में पॉसिबिलिटी मां रिपीट थो कयां, n is equal to 2 में जेको इन जो मल्टीप्लिसिटी आहे उहा 2 आहे
जी सर,
ऐं हेठि जेका मल्टीप्लिसिटी आहे उहा 2 आहे, माना डेल्टा S 0 आहे, इहा पॉसिबल थी वई। ठीक आहे,
ठीक आहे।
ऐं सेकंड जेको आहे मथियों S ऑर्बिटल आहे, हेठियों बि S ऑर्बिटल आहे। हाणे S ऑर्बिटल खां S ऑर्बिटल पॉसिबल न आहे, छो त डेल्टा L जेका आहे ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम उहा तव्हांजी 0 थी वञे। ठीक आहे, because it is varies from 0 to 0, the difference is 0. So which is not possible. The delta L must be equal to 1, delta S must be equal to 0, and delta J must be equal to 0 या plus minus 1. हाणे त असां चऊं डेल्टा J ते माना हिकड़ी पॉसिबिलिटी नथी, माना इहा पॉसिबल ई कोन्हे का।
सही,
माना S खां S ऑर्बिटल में न ईंदो, P खां P ऑर्बिटल में न ईंदो, D खां D ऑर्बिटल में न ईंदो, F खां F ऑर्बिटल में न ईंदो। Means from the same orbital, the de-excitation is not possible. The possible are only when this atom collides with the other atom and transfers its energy to the other atom. but in this transfer you will not receive a photon, and this transition is known as radiation-less transition. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
N is equal to 3. So now if we look here, N is equal to 3. So now N is equal to 3, the electron may be 2s 1 by 2. If electron is in the s orbital, its term value is 2s 1 by 2. The electron may be in the p orbital, its term value is 2p 1 by 2, 2p 3 by 2. If the electron is in the d orbital, here its term value is equal to 2s 1 by 2 and 2s 3 by 2. Here, if the electron is in the s orbital here, is it possible that the electron can go down into the s orbital?
No, sir.
N is equal to 3 का N is equal to 2 में electron के dx side थियणो आहे त जेकॾहिं असां हिते ॾिसूं था, is it possible that the electron can go down? Possible आहे इहो?
No, sir. Yes.
Here this is not possible. Why not possible? Because it is the same orbital, and in the same orbital this level is not possible. Okay, the second is that it means this is not possible. Here, if we look into the p level, if the electron is in the 2p 1 by 2, so if electron is here, is it possible then it can go down to the 2s 1 by 2 here from this level to this level? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
it is p orbital, it is
P
s
orbital,
orbital.
yes.
So this is the delta L is equal to 1. Okay, possible, one term.
Yes.
Second, its spin is 1/2 multiplicity 2. Its spin is 1/2 multiplicity 2. It is possible.
Yes, sir.
This is a j is equal to 1 by 2. It's a j is equal to 1 by 2. So from 1 by 2 j to 1 by 2 j is delta j is equal to 0. It is possible. Okay. So this
Yes,
level is possible. The fourth one is, if we look here, from this level to this level, from 2p 3 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2, is it possible or not?
Yes, sir. Possible.
It is possible. So the electron can jump from n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 2, from p orbital to the s orbital. This is possible. So here you will get two different photons. Okay. Second thing is that if electron is not in the p orbital, if electron is in the d orbital, electron is now in the d orbital. Here it is a d orbital. Okay. Is it possible that the electron from the d orbital can go down into the s orbital? If you look here,
Yes, sir.
from d orbital,
No, sir.
here from d orbital to the s orbital, is it possible?
No, sir.
Please.
From d to from d orbital to s orbital, here. This from d orbital to s orbital, is it possible or not?
Sir, first is possible. I think
So
second is not
this is
possible.
not possible because this is the d orbital. In the d orbital, L is equal to 2. Here it is the s orbital, L is equal to 0. So from 2 to 0, delta L is equal to plus 2. So plus 2 is not possible. L must be equal to plus minus 1.
Plus. Yes.
So from D to S, it is not possible. Again, from this level to this level is not possible. Clear? So this red lines,
Yes.
which I am showing here, is not possible. Okay? So now, if the electron is in the third level, n is equal to 3, how it is possible that electron from d orbital to dx side into the p orbital? If we look here, here electron is from 2p 1 by 2 to 2s 2p. Here the electron is 2d 1 by 2 to 2p 1 by 2. Is it possible or not?
Not possible.
This level you are saying is not possible, but I am saying it is possible because if you look here, this is D.
The orbital is different, sir.
This
Yes.
is the D. D is equal to L is equal to 2.
N.
Here it is P orbital. P orbital L is equal to 1. From 2 to 1, delta L is equal to 1.
1, yes.
Okay, this is multiplicity 2. Its multiplicity is 2. So it means delta S 0. It is equal to J value is 1 by 2. J value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 gives you 0. So it is possible. So it is possible because it follows this rule. If we look here, delta L is equal to 1, delta S is equal to 0, and delta J is equal to 0 because it is from 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
Similarly, if the electron is in the 2d 3 by 2, so now from 2d 3 by 2, is it possible that the electron can de-excite from this level to this level?
3 by 2.
Possible hai? So here from 3 by 2 to 2p 1 by 2. This is also possible. How? If we look here, this is a d orbital, L is equal to 2. This is p orbital, L is equal to 1. So from 2 to 1, delta L is equal to 1. So it is possible. This is 2. This is 2. Multiplicity is 2. Though, therefore, this level is possible. Delta J, which is equal to 3 by 2 to 1 by 2, delta J is equal to 1. This is also possible. So here in this case, the selection rules are delta L is equal to 1, delta S is equal to 0, and delta J is equal to 1. So this level is possible. So these blue lines indicates the possible levels and red lines indicates the not possible level. So these are